listen to this video here. They are talking about energy and how it is going to be affected by the oil in Venezuela. Listen.
Canadian oil has long benefited from the decline in Venezuelan oil production because our oil is similar to their oil, heavy crude. We're just hearing from Alberta Premier Danielle Smith. What do we know about the possible impact?
Well, she is certainly thinking about the possible impact because it could be that down the road that maybe that heavy Canadian crude could come into direct competition with that heavy Venezuelan crude. They're very, very similar. Remember that a lot of the Canadian crude is refined in the U.S. Midwest, but the concern here would be those refineries along the U.S. Gulf Coast. So here's what we're hearing from Alberta's Premier Danielle Smith. She's very clearly thinking about this, saying, quote, recent events surrounding Venezuelan dictator Nicolas Maduro emphasize the importance that we expedite the development of pipelines to diversify our oil export markets, including a new Indigenous co-owned bitumen pipeline to BC's northwest coast to reach Asian markets. She goes on to say that she expects the federal government to move forward with urgency, remembering that the Alberta government here is continuing that work to submit their application to the Major Projects Office. So a lot of people thinking about this.
In what year will construction begin on a new pipeline to the Pacific?
Honourable Governor House Leader.
Mr. Speaker, the world is changing rapidly. The United States, the world's largest economy, is fundamentally reshaping all of its trade relationships, causing major disruption and upheaval for Canadians. It's time to transform our economy from one that is reliant on a single trading partner to one that is stronger, more self-sufficient and resilient to global shocks.
My question is, why can't we build a pipeline so that we can sell that oil to Europe? Because Europeans need that oil too much. In the East Coast here in Canada, they need that oil. So if we build the pipelines, that the problem will be solved. And as they have said in this video, for the oil in Venezuela to start competing with the oil in Alberta, it can take years. Let's take those years building pipelines